Right, so step number one, the tools you need. It would be really nice if you got a bike stander, so it's much easier for you to do the job. So next job is you need 17mm socket, which goes on the left hand side. Then you got 22mm spanner goes in here. Then you got 14mm to release your tensioners, both sides. This is the bolt to release. This is the bolt to release. And also you need a 10mm, just like a screw in, but it actually, as you see, goes pretty smooth with ends, so it's no struggle up there. So yeah, let's crack on, undo the big boy. And so I took 17mm from this side, from the left side, and 22mm from here, and just undo like this. It'll come off in case anyway. Just undo this big boy so you can release tension of the chain and everything else. Washer and this tensioner buoy and a little buoy on the front. Same, you got another side, but first release the tensioners on both sides, so make sure the chain is like nice and loose, so you can remove actually the chain. This side in here, so basically you get your tension inside as much as you can to lose your chain. Not good enough, just like that. That's it, chain is off. So now what you do, just try to go from the right side and just push this boy out, playing a little bit with it, playing like this, ta-da, somehow, but it's not easy. You can probably slide this way. That's it. There we are. So this boy is out. So what it does is just basically slides in here and you can control it. It's not easy, but it looks very nice. But now somehow we will try to get this wheel on. As you remember, it wasn't easy to get it off. There we got it now. So that is in. Get the chain back. Lovely. Chain is on. So as you see, we went inside nice and smooth in here. It wasn't easy, but with a little play around, we got there. The chain is on. So basically what we do now, it's all left to be, we're going to do the tensioners and all. Basically, we'll have to be tidied up and all this, so let's crack on. Okie dokie, so first of all what I did, remember we got this tensioner holder, so that goes on in here. Then we got the pretty big washer, goes just right in here, and then we got this 22mm bolt going on the top of that. So before actually we tied this bit up, what we're going to do, we're going to do the tensioners. And with tensioners, it's just very easy. Remember, we got marking points also as well. So that should come out like that, because what we need to do now, we need to get the chain not so loose. So just undo like this. It's easy to actually adjust your chain this is sometimes when it's loose, this is how you do. You release this big boy, and then you just play with these boys in here. Also, you got marking points in here and in here, so to make sure, just to make sure actually the wheel is straight. So chain actually looks good to me. And let's have a look on adjustments. So that's that chamfer the teeth, 1, 2, and this side is 1, 2. So yeah, if you find helpful for yourself, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I do minimum 5 to 20 videos on each bike, and the channel is about actually save you as much money as we can to do these all little tips, how to replace, how to top up, how to fix it. And you see loads of videos on my channel, very helpful. I got really good comments, subscribers going up slowly, and yeah, so let's crack on, and hopefully you fix your problem and replace this wheel by this video, and find a little tip for yourself. Have a good one.